Now on the back we've got a nice little battery. It's nice and, well, let's say comfortable in the hand. It's rounded, so it just fits nicely in your hand. Now, like I say, this is not the stock antenna that came with it. The stock antenna is this one. Now, as you can see, there's quite a bit of difference in size. So if I'm walking around and I'm only using it locally, I don't need a big antenna. I am going to go out and test these antennas, see what kind of range I get on them. Some people say they're absolutely rubbish. I only got this antenna yesterday evening, so I've not had a chance to test it yet. Some people say they're rubbish, and some people swear by them. So, you know, the only thing I can do is get out on the air and see what kind of range and things like that I can get with it. Now, it's got two power settings. High power is anywhere between 4 and 5 watts, and low power is anywhere between 1 and 1.5 watts, depending on what frequency you're running on. So, you know, it's quite handy. It has decent power. Another feature this radio has is wireless copy. So if you've got one radio all programmed up, all ready to go, and then you've got a second radio like I have just here, then you can transfer or copy the frequencies from one radio to the other wirelessly. But that's absolutely amazing that you don't have to mess about plugging it into Chirp. So I can set one up on Chirp and then wirelessly copy it over. I don't have to mess about plugging the other radio into the computer, or if I buy a second or a third radio, I can just copy everything straight over wirelessly, even without a laptop or a computer. We also have the facility to program the radio through your mobile phone via Bluetooth. You can set all your channels up, you can set all your features up and everything via Bluetooth on your mobile phone. That makes this radio absolutely fantastic. Now you'd think this would cost a fortune.